You know, some of the best meals are the ones that remind us that comfort doesn't have to be complicated. And today, that's exactly what we're making. A rich, heartwarming beef and potato stew. We're talking simple ingredients, slow cooked into something truly unforgettable. First things first, let's talk beef. You'll want about 2 pounds or a full kilo. Ribs, brisket or classic stew, meat all work beautifully here. Just cut them into hearty, generous pieces. Next up, our flavor foundation. Grab about 10 cloves of garlic, 5 thick slices of ginger, and 3 stalks of green onion. These aromatics are simple, but they're going to build an incredible depth of flavor. Let's get cooking. Get a pot nice and hot, and sear that beef until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial. It's what wakes up all that meaty flavor and gives our stew its deep, comforting base. Once the beef is seared, toss in the garlic, ginger, and green onion. Let them sizzle for a minute until they release their fragrance. This is the moment your kitchen starts to smell like home. Time to season. We're going in with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce for that savory saltiness, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for a gorgeous color, and a spoonful of sugar to balance out all that richness. Give it a good stir. Now for a little magic. Pour in a 1/4 cup of rice wine. As it bubbles, scrape the bottom of the pot to lift all those delicious browned bits. This deglazing step brings everything together. Finally, add about 3 cups of hot water, just enough to barely cover the beef. Bring it to a simmer, then lower the heat. Cover the pot and let it go low and slow. We want that beef to become incredibly tender. After about an hour, it's time for the potatoes. Add in about 28 ounces, or 790 grams of potatoes, cut into nice big chunks. They're going to soak up all that savory broth and turn buttery soft. Let everything continue to simmer together until that beef is fall apart tender and the potatoes just melt into that thick, glorious sauce. Patience really is the secret ingredient here, so don't rush it. And there you have it. A bowl of this stew feels like warmth you can hold in your hands. It's proof that simple ingredients, a bit of slow cooking, and a whole lot of heart can create something truly special. I hope this meal brings as much comfort to your table as it does to mine. It's a beautiful reminder that even in the simplest moments, there's so much flavor and beauty worth savoring. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy recipes. See you next time.